first step is to always identify how the pest got in the house so that this doesn't happen again. If you're able to identify where the pests are getting into the house, make sure you're setting traps in the spaces that they're accessing and close off that entry point. That'll prevent any future dead animals from smelling the house up. I'd also recommend removing any poisons, especially rodenticides on the property. Ask if your neighbors are using rodenticides to help minimize rodents just dying in mass in your crawl space or attic. The next part of getting rid of the smell is a bit tricky. A lot of times, rodents will die, or animals in general will die in a nice warm place, usually when they're starting to feel sick and getting ready to die. I've heard it explained to me as if they want to go to their bed, just like you would want to if you felt sick. And usually that means tucked away in your insulation or on top of some furnace HVAC run. And that can kind of better pinpoint where to look if you're going to go and try and dig this animal out yourself. If you're unable to find it, the next best thing, unfortunately, is try to get some sort of desiccant in the area you're smelling the worst or the strongest. That'll help eliminate a lot of the moisture in the home that's carrying the dead smell and also sanitize the air a little bit. You can also try to do a fogging application. Unless you have the equipment, I don't see a lot of people doing this, but that is the best method of getting rid of dead animal smell in your home.